I think it's very difficult to start companies and quite painful. I think that's important to bear in mind. I don't know if that's probably not encouraging. I mean, there's a friend of mine who's got a good phrase for doing a startup. It's like eating glass and staring into the abyss. If you go into it expecting it's going to be just fun, you will be disappointed. It's not. It's quite painful. It's much easier to get a job somewhere. Much easier, much less stressful. You'll have more time for other things.
But would you be happier?
It depends on who you are. Would I be happier?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't be. I'd be unhappier. It's really like if you're sort of wired to do it, then you should do it, but not otherwise. It's not going to optimize your leisure time or anything like that. It's going to be extremely difficult and stressful. So you must feel compelled to do it. Let me put it this way: if you need inspiring words, don't do it.
And would you recommend doing 2 at a time?
No,
yeah.
That's a terrible idea. I really super don't recommend doing 2 at a time. It was not my intention to run 2 companies, but as it turned out, I kind of didn't have much choice.